Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to solve some multiple choice questions related with eigenvalue and eigenvector. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to quickly solve multiple choice questions related with eigenvalue and eigenvector. Here I will show you the calculator tricks to solve the questions related with eigenvalues. Okay, first of all, let me read the first question. Yeah, the first question is uh, let of matrix A, which is 2 by 2 size square matrix, and we have to find out all the eigenvalues for this matrix A. Okay, here four options are given for the eigenvalues of this matrix A, and we have two very important properties on the eigenvalues. The properties are, the first property is the sum of the eigenvalues is always equals to the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal, and the next property is the product of the eigenvalue is always equals to uh, the determinant of the given matrix. The sum of the eigenvalues is always equals to the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal, and the product of the eigenvalues is always equals to the determinant of the given matrix. Okay, and here four options for the eigenvalues are given. Okay, first of all, in this matrix A, 3 and the number 3 and 8, here we can see 3 and 8 are the eigen. Okay, sorry, here the 3 and 8, this number 3 and 8 are the uh, elements in the principal diagonal. Okay, let's add them. 3 plus 8 will give uh, 11. Okay, if among these options the sum of the eigenvalues should be exactly 11. Okay, in option A, 3 plus 2 only 5, so the option A is eliminated here. Option B, 3 plus 8 11. Okay, option C, 2 plus 9 again 11, so options B and C holds the condition true. Option D, negative 2 plus negative 9 will give negative 11, so option A and the option D will be eliminated because the sum of the eigenvalues is not equals to the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal. Okay, and let's use the next conditions to check which option A, B, okay, which option B or C is correct. Okay, and next condition is the determinant of the matrix should be equals to the product of the eigenvalues. Okay, let's calculate the determinant of this matrix A, and determinant is very easy to calculate. 3 times 8, 24, minus 3 times 2, 6. Okay, 24 minus 6 will give 18. The determinant of this matrix A is 18, so the product of the eigenvalues should be exactly 18. In B, the product is 3 times 8, 24, which is not 18, so B is eliminated. And in option C, 2 times 9 will give 18. The option C holds the both conditions true. The product of the eigenvalues is exactly equals to the determinant of the matrix, and the sum of the eigenvalues is equals to the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal. So the option C is the correct answer for this question. Okay, let's solve the next question B. Here a matrix, uh, question number 2. Okay, here a matrix A is given here 3 by 3 size matrix, and here one eigenvalue is given negative 1, and we have to find out the corresponding eigenvector for this matrix A, and here four options for the eigenvector are given. Okay, I am just going to use the calculator to find out the corresponding eigenvector when the eigenvalue is negative 1 for this matrix A. Okay, let me take the calculator. Okay, just a moment, let me take the calculator here. First of all, I am just going to multiply this matrix A with all these options separately. Okay, let me take the first options, and I am just going to multiply this matrix A with this first option. Okay, first of all, we have to store this matrix A and the option A. Okay, we have to go the mode, and here in number 6 the matrix mode. Okay, and let me take the name matrix A, and this matrix A is 3 by 3 size matrix. Okay, let me just take the first option, and let me just enter all the data. Okay, 1 equals to negative 1, just storing these all the data, and 4 equals to 2, equals to -2 equals to 4 equals to 3 equals to -3 equals to, and final entry is 0. Here I have just stored this matrix A on this calculator, and then we have to go shift and then number 4, and here in number 2 the data. I'm just going to store this matrix in the first option. Okay, let me take the number 2 here, matrix B. I have already used the matrix A, so we have to take the next name. Okay, let me take the matrix B number 2, and this matrix in the option A is 3 cross 1 matrix. Okay, let me take the 3 option 3, and let me just enter all the data. -11 equals to, and next entry is -10, and the next entry is 3. Okay, here I have just stored this matrix in the first option on this calculator, and then we have to press the AC. I'm just going to multiply these two matrices stored in this calculator. Shift and then matrix, here matrix A in number 3 times the matrix B. Okay, shift and then matrix number 4. Here I am just going to multiply matrix A and matrix B. Here the result is 11, 10 and -3. Okay, and here given that the eigenvalue is -1, here -1, we are just going to find out the corresponding eigenvector. So here first we have just multiply this matrix A and this matrix in the first option. Okay, and then the next step is just dividing by the eigenvalue. Here the eigenvalue is -1, so we have to divide this result by -1. Okay, let me just divide this result by the -1, and the matrix will be -11, -10 and 3. Okay, -11, -10 and 3. If this answer A is the correct answer for the eigenvector, then this result after dividing by the -1 will be same as the option A, will be same as the previous matrix. Okay, here let's divide this result by the -1. The result will be -11, -10 and 3, which is same as this option A. After dividing this result by the -1, the answers will be same as this option A. So this option A is the required eigenvector when the eigenvalue is -1 for this matrix A. If this is not the correct answer, then the result after dividing by -1 will not be same as the given matrix. But here in this case, the result after dividing by the -1 is exactly same as the first option. So the first option is the correct answer for this question number 2. Okay, let's check for the next option B. Okay, and let me just change the matrix B only. We have to go to the data. Okay, number 2, and let's change the matrix B. Okay, number 2, and let me use the next option. Okay, 11 equals to 10 equals to 3, and then we have to multiply these two matrices. Shift matrix in number 3 times matrix B. Okay, number 4. Here let's see the result. Here the product is this matrix is the product. Okay, and let's divide this product by the -1. Okay, and the result will be -13, -14 and -3, which is not same as this option B, which is not same as the previous matrix. So the option B is incorrect answer. In option A, we got the result after dividing by the -1. The result is same as the previous matrix, this matrix. So the option A is the correct answer for this question 2. Option A is the corresponding eigen vector when the eigenvalue is -1 for this matrix A. This is the way of checking which one is the correct eigenvector when the eigenvalue is given. This is the method of checking. Okay, in our next video, we will discuss more about such types of the multiple choice questions related with the eigenvector and eigenvalues. So please keep watching, keep loving this channel. and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This much for today. Thank you all of you.